Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel One to Step. Today in this video, let's learn about how to log in to Bumble. So let's get started. At first, let's go to the app Bumble. And now we can simply continue with Facebook. But since we have already signed in with our mobile number, we need to use mobile number here. So let's go for mobile number. And to verify, we need to get a code. So let's click on OK. So here it is. Now we have to enable the location. Here we need to give similar pose and take a photo, and our photo here and our profile picture should be matching. Then click on take my photo. Now click your photo and here. So now we are in Bumble interface. So this is all we need to do to log into Bumble. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.